Hey everyone, it's Cyber Tutor here. When we talk about computer networks, Ethernet is one of the most important terms you'll come across. It's the backbone of local area networks, or LANs, and it's something you're likely using every day without even thinking about it. But did you know there are different Ethernet standards designed to optimize performance and security? Let's break it down so you can understand why it matters in cybersecurity. So what exactly is Ethernet? Simply put, Ethernet is a technology that connects devices in a local area network, LAN. It's the most common way to link computers, printers, routers, and other devices using cables. This wired connection is known for its reliability, speed, and security, making it the go-to choice for offices, data centers, and even home networks. Ethernet technology has come a long way since it was first developed in the 1970s. The original standard, known as Ethernet 10 base T, could transfer data at 10 megabits per second, Mbps. Over time, new standards were introduced to handle the growing demand for faster and more secure connections. Let's take a look at some of the key Ethernet standards. Fast Ethernet, 100 base TX. This boosted speeds to 100 megabits per second, perfect for early corporate networks. Gigabit Ethernet, 1000 base T. It jumped to 1 gigabit per second, Gbps, which is 10 times faster than fast Ethernet. This is what most modern networks use today. 10 gigabit Ethernet, 10 G base T. For even faster speeds, this can handle 10 gigabits per second, ideal for high-performance environments like data centers. But why should cybersecurity students care about Ethernet standards? Well, different Ethernet standards offer varying levels of speed, bandwidth, and reliability, which can impact how you design and secure a network. For instance, using gigabit Ethernet in a corporate setting means faster data transfer, but it also requires stronger security measures to protect all that data moving at high speeds. Let's talk about the Ethernet frame. This is the format used to send data over an Ethernet network. Each frame contains important information, like the source and destination MAC addresses, data being transferred, and a checksum for error checking. Understanding how these frames work is crucial for cybersecurity, as attackers might try to intercept or manipulate them. Knowing the structure helps you spot unusual activity, like MAC spoofing or other network attacks. Different Ethernet standards also come with their own security considerations. For example, fast Ethernet, 100 megabits per second, is commonly used in older networks, which may lack modern security protocols. Gigabit Ethernet, 1 gigabit per second, is great for faster performance, but can expose your network to faster data exfiltration if compromised. 10 gigabit Ethernet, 10 gigabits per second, is super fast but requires robust security measures, especially in enterprise settings, to prevent data breaches. Using the right Ethernet standard for your network's needs helps balance performance and security. Ethernet standards also play a big role in network segmentation, which is crucial for cybersecurity. By segmenting a network into smaller sections, you can control who has access to each part. For instance, using virtual LANs, VLANs with different Ethernet speeds can isolate sensitive departments like finance or HR from general employee access. This way, even if an attacker gets into one segment, they're less likely to access other parts of the network. Here are some best practices to keep in mind when securing Ethernet networks. Use strong passwords for network access. Enable MAC address filtering to control which devices can connect. Implement VLANs for better segmentation. Regularly update your network hardware to support the latest Ethernet standards. Always use encryption for sensitive data, even over wired connections. These steps will help strengthen your Ethernet network against attacks. So to recap, Ethernet standards define the speed and structure of data transmission on your network. Understanding these standards is crucial for optimizing both performance and security. By leveraging technologies like gigabit Ethernet and network segmentation, you can build a more secure and efficient network. And don't forget, securing Ethernet means more than just plugging in cables. It's about understanding the standards and best practices to protect your network from threats. Thanks for tuning in. If you're finding our Network Fundamentals series helpful, make sure to check out our previous videos, like the one on MAC addressing and filtering. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things cybersecurity. Stay informed, stay secure, and see you in the next video.